Hi everyone, I wanted to talk today about the power of breathing and why it's so important to managing our emotions. This is something I talk about a lot with my clients on Talkspace. I know that just taking a deep breath can seem kind of cliche and simplistic, but there's real science behind it. When we get anxious and tense, our sympathetic nervous system starts to take over. The sympathetic nervous system is our body's involuntary response to stress or perceived danger in our environment. Our breathing starts to get rapid and shallow, and we may even start to feel panic or hyperventilate. Our adrenaline starts pumping, and we get into fight, flight, or freeze mode. By making a conscious decision to breathe, sometimes it's called belly breathing, mindful breathing, or diaphragmatic breathing, we can change the rate of our respiration, which then activates the parasympathetic nervous system. I think of the parasympathetic nervous system as our body's rest and restore mode. Breathing lowers our heart rate, blood pressure, and increases blood flow, which brings about feelings of calm. And when the parasympathetic nervous system is activated, our thinking brain, the prefrontal cortex, can take over, enabling you to better navigate your current stressful or emotional situation. In other words, you can respond and think more clearly and rationally about the situation at hand. To consciously slow down your breathing, take a deep breath in through your nose, feel your belly and your lungs expand with air, hold it for a moment, and then slowly breathe out. It can help to count on the inhale, breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4, and then breathe out 1, 2, 3, 4. You can even visualize breathing in calm and breathing out tension. And while you're focused on breathing, try to check in and notice what your body is doing. Are any muscles particularly tense? Does the tension begin to soften as you're exhaling? Can you label some of the emotions you're currently feeling? One way to practice breathing is by integrating it into your everyday life. When you're waiting in line at the store, take some mindful breaths. When you're waiting for your toast to finish cooking or the microwave to beep, take a few breaths. If the bus is a few minutes away, breathe. By practicing deep breathing throughout the day when you're not feeling anxious or emotional, you can better use this technique when you do feel stressed. And after you practice deep breathing for a minute or so, at different points throughout the day, you can consider trying short meditations or deep breathing for 5 or 10 minutes for relaxation. Sometimes I'll set a timer for 5 or 10 minutes on my phone and try to focus on breathing during that time. I also really like the app Insight Timer for guided meditations. I can link it below if you'd like. I hope this information was helpful. Take care. Talk to you soon. Bye.